Hey guys, it's your best friend Kiko VR again, a thief. In today's video, we're checking out the new spring update. So enjoy if you like my new animation cartoon character. Thank you. So I'm gonna have the game. So see you there, guys. Kiko VR again. It's a thief. In today's video, yes, look, it was true. VMT said the plushie is going to be in the game, and it's right here. To get it, you have to get the plushie in real life. And yes, and it's actually finally here. I'm going to check that later. For now, actually, you know what? Let's go into public lobbies and check out the maps. Okay, let's begin. Oh! Yo, the update's here. Yo. Hey, yo, this is so sick.
I am going to heaven. Say all
Yo, this is sick. Monkey! Oh, wait, there's bees? Ugh, I just heard the sound.
Monkey.
No one spoil the cosmetics, or else I'll kill you. Now there's a pond? There's fish. Yo, that is so sick, dude. Check out the rest of the maps. Yo, what? This ain't ropes. This ain't ropes.
You set my stripes. You set my stripes.
Yo, the skin is so different. That's so sick. We actually received most of it. You know what? I'll read that later. Okay.
Oh, you got.
What? What the?
Goodbye. Hi.
What the?
Bye. Bye. Start mewing, guys.
What is this?
Sigma.
These are cool cosmetics.
That's what you're not. You're not a Sigma like me.
Okay. What about this?
Okay, there's nothing up here.
Dang, why is
They're
this
blue.
place so like bright?
Look at me. Sigma meal. Look at me.
Bro, that's so cool. Okay, let me try all these cosmetics.
Never really bright.
Starting with the fire. Oh, this is still here. Yo, this is cool. This is a new pack on the wall. Okay, let's try this on. Oh, you guys! I actually used to be a tiger in my channel before. I had not that much subscribers. It's like, wait, do we have a tail? Yeah, we do have a tail. This is sick. This is awesome.
I'm just checking it out.
Yo, I'm literally gonna buy it. I'm literally gonna almost buy everything.
Okay. No.
And also, guys, make sure to like and subscribe in this video, okay? Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bro, I spent so much time waiting so much
I need
that
to
I got
hit
this.
now,
I literally just,
200
you know.
subscribers.
You want me to be up the first?
Oh, no.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth, everyone. Shush. What? Shush your mouth, everyone. Daylight! My video. Move. Busy with it. Oh, it's back there. I can't see it well. What do we... What could I put instead for the spring update? No, not this. What is that? I'm a sad person, though. Yeah, no, I don't want to be in my playroom. Wait. Bada. We got the fish badge and this. Yo, that's so sick. Now we'll do the best part. This part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's cool. Wait. Isn't these kind of badges free? Wait, is it free? Yes, free. I'm getting it. I literally bet that the flashback of the spring update is here, and I think the 2023 is going to be upstairs. Let's see them. Oh yeah. Oh, cool! We get little monkeys on our hands. Huh? So there is a balloon. Hey. Die, boo. I don't know why my game is like this. Why is it like that?
What the heck?
What?
What?
I'm eating a rabbit right now.
There's 4 in the game?
Yeah, it came out.
What?
Why not? Yeah. Yo, that's so cool, you guys. Okay. We check out the cosmetics. We did the cosmetic. Okay, wait. Whoa. Yo!
On.
We became tiny. Yo. Wait, is this dumplings? I love dumplings. Wait, can we get inside? I think we can. Yo, we can swim with the fish. I'm in the fish. Hello. Oh, we got someone inside with us. Hey guys, don't tell me this update's not cool, because this is cool. On the wall are you? Whoa. What's more around? Huh? Please say that it's gone. Please. No! Dang it! I wanted the maze to come back.
Don't water balloon at me.
Bro, I don't like this maze. Lemming, please take this one away. Whoa!
Yeah.
Please let me. If you're watching this, please take away this update because it sucks very much. Wait, does the map change? Is Temple gone? Did it turn into a different map? That's a question I need to know.
What the?
No, it didn't change. I can see the temple and the ground is exactly the same. Dang it. Okay, now I'm gonna read that thing. Now I'm gonna read the thingy. Now I'm gonna read the thingy.
Find my name all along.
Shush! Let me mute you all.
50 cents? 50 cents?
Good. Now they're all quiet. Finally. Now let me read what's happening. Nowruz is a festival to celebrate the coming of spring. Enjoy the warm weather with brightly colored nature inspired whereas as the forest wakes from the makeshift monkey plush is coming to the virtual world. Check out the little monkey display below. Only backers of the makeshift champion will receive the exclusive holdable for free. So we need to buy the real plush in the real world. Days until makeshift companion closes 7. So this will go in 7 days. If it does go in 7 days, that ain't fair. I live far away from the UK, where he lives. Where he lives. Come on. I need this thing. I need it. I did get it, but it didn't. I did pay for it, but I didn't get it yet in real life. Oh my gosh, I need this plushie. Let me check out the rest of the maps. Yo! Caves. Bro, I literally wish there is another map. I'm very good at caves, so I am good with every single. Ah! Okay, let's also check the other maps. So let me check beach. One of my favorite maps. And also, guys, thanks again for 100 subscribers on my channel. Now, let's check our one and only beach map. Please say it changed a lot. Yo!
Wait, what?
Hello.
Oh, so you know the new walls have flowers on them.
Yeah.
So someone just coming up to the...
And also, you better subscribe or else I'll find you.
I can't go right now.
You better subscribe or else I'll literally haunt you in your nightmares. By the way, you're in the video, so nice. Whoa. Is that butterflies? There's all butterflies. I don't know those are both. Never need butterflies come to this place. Hey, wait. Mr. Butterfly. I'm calling you Dibble. Or Billy. Dibble Dilly. Dibble. Or Doug. Or do you want it Billy? Dilly or Billy? I like Dilly a little more. Killy! Well, it is. You're my favorite, bro. You're my favorite. Yo, you are my favorite because it's my color. You're my favorite. Killy, I don't know what I should call you. Bro. This is Minecraft! This is Minecraft right here! This is the Minecraft dirt texture.
I have 5,000 triangles, but now I'm just waiting. I'm trying to get more. It's going to be 100 every day.
Wait, bro, wait. Stand still. Bro, behind you. Wait, stand still real quick. Let me try this one. Let me try this one.
Okay, so it's just me and Kyle.
I'm Kiko.
I'm here.
Bro, I'm literally right behind you.
There.
Bruh. I don't think he's with me. He's on the other side of the universe. Doesn't know he's in the video. He doesn't even know he's in the video. I don't think he knows he's in the video. Anyway. Just look at this map. I didn't expect only me to be in the map now. No, dang it. No! Oh my gosh, I was about to fall on my face. Where my necklace is. No! Yes, got it! See you, bozo! And finally I get to see... Okay, my friend is calling me, Tolliver. I'll join him later. No one is in beach, only me and you. Now just you. This is awesome. This is the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down there. And also help me get this. Guys. And the fingerprint badge or anything else. I need your help, gang.